Listening to the wires hum in the lanes of polished dream, I find series of fake fruit, mixed tense verbs taking root. In the mist of what seems, sun-streaked image of what is, waves of steam calm my nerves, razor scrapes across my jaw. The train arrives, I climb aboard. As it leaves, a billboard slides. Suddenly its words collide. Is a run-on sentence now correct? What new rules will they select? No time to think, just elect an imposter who's illiterate. Now we learn to forget. Along the rails reality bends, parallel structures going wide, comma slices multiply, divide. What goes up must transcend time and space, corporate rules. I'm a teacher on an ancient train. I grade my papers, never late, fixing fragments, grammar's fool.